Russian military blogger Anatoly Radov acknowledges the worsening situation in the Kharkiv region for Russian forces, especially near Hlybok. Ukrainian forces have been conducting counterattacks the past weeks, and Russians are gradually retreating. Hlybok, the situation is getting worse. Guys are standing in the village itself, despite the shitty situation, he said. A GoPro video shows an intense battle as Ukrainian soldiers storm a Russian position. Under heavy machine gun fire from the front and right, the assault team, led by a fighter nicknamed Comfort, advanced into the wooded area and began clearing Russian shelters and hideouts.
Рух! Мы подходим, Федя, ты нас видишь? Плюс. Вейк! Прикрой аккуратненько! Смотри, вот так, прям вот так. На дерево, туда. Плюс, двигаемся. Давайте, середина, правый флаг, движение!
Делаем движение?
Да. Что там по улику, блядь? Все, рух. Аккуратно там, вей. Де так, все добре.
Border guards in the north destroyed Russian positions, including a checkpoint, observation post, and a permanent enemy personnel station. They also targeted and damaged a Russian D-30 howitzer. In light of the crash of a Russian Sukhoi Superjet 100 that crashed due to the new Russian-made PD-8 engines failing, I decided to share with you a document discovered a few months ago. This official Russian document describes the dire situation of the Russian civilian aviation. Recommendations of the Round Table on the topic Development of Regional and Local Air Transportation. Cutting routes. In 2024, regional air travel subsidies will drop by 73 routes. This means less connectivity and disrupted tourism across Russia. Funding shortfall. Local airports are struggling with severe underfunding, leading to safety and operational issues. Over 100 airfields have lost regular flight status since 2008. Aging fleet. Many regional planes are old and lack parts for maintenance. Critical aircraft like the An-24 and An-26 are nearing the end of their service life with no replacements in sight. Helicopter woes. Russia's helicopter fleet is aging rapidly, with an urgent need to replace over 620 helicopters by 2035. Yet, there's no effective support for renewing the fleet. Safety concerns. High aviation fuel costs and lack of regulation jeopardize flight safety. Incidents due to poor fuel quality are rising, with 50% of tested samples failing to meet safety standards. Pilot shortage. Acute shortage of pilots for helicopters and regional planes like the Mi-8 and An-2. Training and retention programs are urgently needed to address this crisis. Maintenance gaps. Lack of repair facilities and spare parts is grounding planes. There are calls to revive repair plants and establish spare parts depots in the Far East. Underfunded airports. Regional airports face massive budget deficits, hindering development and maintenance, which threatens the safety and regularity of flights. Aeroflot. The Russian flagship now flies to a dozen countries, down from 56. The pain will likely get worse. The vast majority of the group's more than 350 planes are Airbus or Boeing models. Russia will have to say goodbye to its rich Soviet aviation heritage in the form of an established network of international routes, airport slots, trans-Siberian royalties, and high status in industry organizations. Interviewer. Zelensky says that Russia planned to use tactical nuclear weapons. Russian Foreign Minister Lavrov. He says many things. Depends on what he drinks or what he smokes.
President Zelensky said that Russia plans to use tactical nuclear weapons.
He says many things.
And
depends on
weapons.
what he drinks or what he smokes. He says many things.
Do you think
Russian propagandists. Any confrontation with the NATO bloc is possible only with the use of nuclear weapons. There is simply no other option. If NATO's military organization surpasses us, it is absolutely futile for us to enter into such an armed confrontation with conventional means of destruction only.
Насколько возможно противостояние блоку НАТО?
Противостояние блоку НАТО с конвенциональным оружием, ввиду такого превосходства его в обычных средствах ведения вооруженной борьбы, но с нашей стороны любой ход ведения боевых действий будет крайне невыгодным нас ввиду превосходства практически по всем позициям несколько раз. И поэтому, как мне представляется, любое противостояние с блоком НАТО возможно только с применением ядерного оружия. Но другого варианта просто нет. Потому что есть такое понятие, оно называется основной закон войны. Основной закон войны, он о чем гласит? Что ход и исход вооруженной борьбы определяется совокупными военно-экономическими потенциалами сторон. Но если военная организация НАТО превосходит нас на порядок по некоторым показателям, а то и на 2, и на то 3, то вступать в такое вооруженное противостояние только с конвенциональными средствами поражения, для нас совершенно бесперспективно.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.